Panasonic MX950 4K Mini LED TV. Main features are Mini LED for outstanding brightness and contrast, class-leading color, contrast, clarity, and Auto AI mode HCX Pro AI processor, immersive stadium sound dynamic theater surround with Dolby Atmos, stunning speed, resolution, and motion, game mode extreme. More viewing choice Smart TV My home screen 8.0 panel technology is 4K LCD Mini LED. Resolution is 4K Ultra HD / 3840 x 2160 up to 120 HAZ Smooth Motion Drive Pro. Panasonic Picture Index is 2500. Multi-HDR support are HDR10 plus adaptive HDR10 HLG Dolby Vision IQ HLG Photo CX Pro AI processor. Wide color spectrum. Local dimming ultra. Power supply is a C220 to 240V 50/60 Hz refresh rate. HDMI support feature. To meet W.1 support feature. Ears. Enhanced audio return channel. Input 2. A LLM auto low latency mode. All inputs. VRR variable refresh rate. Input 1 and 2.